Ever feel like your neck and shoulders are tied in a permanent knot, and you're desperately searching for a cheap, drug-free solution? You probably saw the Sharper Image Neck and Shoulder Massager on Amazon with its 4.4 stars and thought, finally, relief for under $15. That's the promise. But here's what surprised me after weeks of testing. This isn't a massager at all, and that fundamental misunderstanding is why so many people end up disappointed. However, if you go in knowing exactly what this is, it might just be a secret weapon for your tension. For the best price, click the link in the description. Let's get brutally honest. This is not a massager. There are no vibrating nodes, no percussive motors, no electricity. It's a microwavable heat wrap. That's the first and biggest problem. If you clicked on this video dreaming of a deep tissue massage melting your trapezius into butter, I need to stop you right now. You will be let down. That expectation versus reality gap is the source of most negative reviews. Therefore, we need to reset. What is it? It's a soft, weighted, scented pillow you heat up and drape around your neck. And that brings us to the second surprise. For under $15, the quality is shockingly decent. It looks and feels more expensive. The fabric is soft, the curved design actually contours pretty well, and it has a nice, soothing weight to it, like a gentle hug for your stressed-out shoulders. It's filled with flax seeds and wheat, and it's infused with lavender, chamomile, and other calming scents. So you pop it in the microwave, it gets warm, you put it on, and you get a warm, scented, weighted pillow. See, not a massager. But if what you truly need is gentle, moist heat therapy and aromatherapy to unwind, this is where the product starts to make sense. The heat is surprisingly deep and lasts a good while. Now, let's dive into the real problems because there are several. First, the microwave heating instructions. They say 30-second increments. What they don't tell you is that the flax seeds inside can get nuclear hot in the center while the outside fabric feels lukewarm. It's a heat distribution issue. You have to knead it like you're wrestling a doughy python to spread the heat evenly. Otherwise, you risk a bizarre hot spot that feels less like therapy and more like a minor kitchen accident. It's a delicate dance between cozy warmth and degree snack. Second, the aromatherapy. The scents are pleasant, but they are subtle. If you have a sensitive nose or love strong lavender, you might be underwhelmed. It's not a powerful scent bomb, it's a faint whisper of calm. For some, that's perfect. For others, it's a non-feature. And the scent does fade over time with repeated heating, so don't expect that spa-like aroma to last forever. It's more of a nice bonus than a core reason to buy. Third, the cold therapy option. You can chill it in the freezer. In theory, great for inflammation. In practice, it becomes a rigid, unbendable sack of frozen grains that refuses to contour to your neck. It's like trying to get comfy with a bag of frozen peas that's been sewn into a pillowcase. The cold is effective, but the comfort level plummets. You're better off with a dedicated gel pack for cold therapy. Let's talk about the fit. The high collar design is good in theory, but if you have broader shoulders or a larger frame, it might feel a bit restrictive, like a scarf that's judging your life choices. It's designed to stay on while you move, but if you're pacing around, it can slip. It's best used while you're stationary, relaxing on the couch or in bed. Trying to do dishes with this thing on is an adventure in constantly hitching it back up. And the weight. It's weighted for a grounding effect, which is lovely for relaxation. But if you have serious neck pain or injuries, that extra weight might not be what your muscles need. It's not heavy, but it's present. You need to listen to your body. Sometimes pain needs gentle heat, not added pressure. This is a relaxation tool, not a medical device. So who is this for? Let's be clear. This is perfect for someone who understands it's a heat wrap. It's for the person with general tension from a long day at the computer, who wants a drug-free way to unwind before bed. It's for someone who loves the concept of aromatherapy and weighted blankets. It's for the person on a tight budget who wants a taste of at-home spa comfort without the $100 price tag. It's cozy, simple, and for specific needs, incredibly effective. Who is it not for? Anyone seeking a mechanical massage. Anyone with severe, chronic pain expecting a miracle cure. Anyone who dislikes subtle scents. Anyone wanting intense, targeted heat in one specific knot. The heat is broad and general. If your pain is a precise bullseye, this is a blanket bomb. After all this, is it worth $14.99? Here's my final take. If you go in with the right expectations, that this is a heated, scented, weighted comfort wrap, then absolutely yes. The value is there. The construction is solid for the price. The heat therapy is genuinely soothing. It's a fantastic entry-level self-care product. The problems arise only when you believe the massager marketing. It's a case of a product being slightly mislabeled, not being inherently bad. Therefore, my advice is this. Don't buy the sharper image neck shoulder massager thinking it will need your problems away. But do consider the sharper image neck shoulder heat therapy wrap for cozy, comforting, chemical-free relaxation. It's a small investment for a lot of potential calm. For the absolute best price on Amazon and to check out the thousands of reviews for yourself, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.